Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use airplane mode on Monopoly Go. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Download and open the Monopoly Go game. Go to the three lines icon at the top right corner and you will see different options. Tap on Settings and select the Manage Account button. Tap on the Disconnect option here. Go back to the Monopoly Go home. Swipe up to the Control Center and turn on the airplane mode. Tap on the Go button to start the game. Roll the dice and collect the shields. You can continue playing the game. Minimize the game and go to your phone home screen. Swipe up and turn off the airplane mode. Open your phone settings and go to the Monopoly Go game. Tap on the notifications option in the Monopoly Go settings. You can change the settings here about the notifications. Open the Monopoly Go game and wait a few seconds to load. Tap on the Go button and start the game. By playing games, collect all the shields and money. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.